Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. The various tools which are commonly used for the plastering work as well as in a pointing work are as gauging trowels, floats, floating rule, spat, steel pot, plumb bob, sprit level, straight edge, set square, brushes, corner edge, and scratches. Gauging tools are commonly used to apply the mortar on the surface to be plastered. The mortar is forcefully applied on the surface by this trowel. For rough coat plaster, the mortar is dashed against the wall surface by this trowel. Floats are used to spread the mortar uniformly to the wall surface for the plastering work. There are two types of the float is generally used in the plastering work: wooden float or a skimming float and the metal float. Wooden float or the skimming float is used for spreading the mortar so as to obtain a uniform and the level surface. Metal float are used to make the plaster surface smooth or to obtain a required smooth finish surface. Floating ruler is used basically to check the level of the plaster surface. Spade is used to mix the constituent of a mortar to obtain a uniform or the homogeneous mass. Steel pot is used to carry the mortar at the time of the plastering work. Plumb bob is a small and the handy tool used for making the strip of the mortar perfectly in the vertical plane. Sprit level is used to check the level of the surface. The sprit level is placed on the surface and the bubble is checked. The surface is level when the bubble in the tube settle at the middle of the tube. Straight edge are used to provide a finish to the plaster surface, especially at the corner and the edge of the wall. Set square is used to provide a two plaster surface perfectly 90° at the corner. Brush is used to clean the surface of the brick masonry work to remove the dust particle from the surface. Corner edge are used to remove the irregularity from the surface of the dry wall and smooth out the final layer of the mud or the plaster at the corner. Plastering of surface is carried out layer wise. Minimum 2 coats are necessary for the plastering. To provide a good bond between the coat, bottom layer is scratched with the tools called as scratchers.